good morning to each of you present here. Our esteemed chief guest, Shri S.M. Krishna sir, Shri Yusuf Ali sir, Sharma sir, and the entire Lulu team. I welcome you all on behalf of Global Mall team. A little progress each day adds up to big results. I present to you the dream that was envisioned by a visionary, Shri G.K. Shivkumar, which was beautifully constructed by our Shobha developers to finally being executed and run by our Lulu group to serve all of you today. A best structure should speak of its time and place, but yearn for ages to come. I proudly present to you a state-of-the-art mall that stands as a reality today, Global Mall Bangalore. We anticipate a mighty question that's sure to come. Why us? When there are 20 large malls in Bangalore where there's no special, what's that something special about us here? It's a basic question that arises among each one of you present here. And to answer it, I proudly stand before you with a confident project which I believe to stand as a global shopping experience to our community every time we walk through these doors. A global mall is going to be an experiential center, not just another mall in the flock of malls. The mall has been diligently planned across an area of 6,85,000 square feet to accommodate an eye-catching and easy-to-navigate stores for visitors, top-notch safety precautions, ample parking spaces of 1,800 parking areas and various other amenities. But that's not all in store for all of you. With an ambition and an aspiration of creating a huge entertainment area in the indoors with all safety measures up to mark for all age groups is an important goal of Global Mall, which has spread across almost 40% of the mall capacity with one of the largest fun and entertainment and indoor areas in Bangalore, and not just in Bangalore but also the state. I assure the consumers are going to have an amazing time as groups. Lulu Hypermarket, the retail division of the multi-dimensional and multinational Lulu Group, has always known as a trendsetter for the retail industry in our region. Today, Lulu symbolizes quality retailing for over 200 stores over 22 countries and is immensely popular with their discurring shopper across the Gulf region. The dream dreamt 15 years ago by my father, Shri G.K. Shivkumar, to create employment with a quality project is finally turning into a reality. Experiencing Indians to have a step forward by presenting an innovative and a progressive mall, Global Mall for Bangalore and Karnataka. No dream dreamt is realized without a great team that works hard to achieve the possibility in the first place. It's said, it's not just the beauty of the building that makes it, but it's the construction and the foundation that stands the test of the times. Achieving nothing less the best in terms of quality construction, we would have not been possible without our Shobha developers. Thank you falls too short a feeling in thanking Mr. P.C. Menon sir, Mrs. Ravi Menon sir, Sharma sir, Ashok sir, and the entire Shobha team with a special mention to our designer, Ms. Geeta Nair, creating this wonderful structure which will be appreciated over the years. Thank you. The entire team of construction that has helped us by accommodating various changes with a smile on their face every time with the structural modification we asked for. A big thank you to all of you. The biggest source of opportunity are collaboration and partnership. The opportunity we grabbed was a one of a kind, I would say. We relish, relive and learn along with them, our Lulu team. I immensely thank Mr. Yusuf Ali sir and the entire Lulu team for their support and their wholehearted association with us. We not just have a successful partnership, but I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for the process of learning that we all went through when we aspire to continue to learn in the association forward. Thank you, sir. I acknowledge the kind of support extended by my team without whom the execution would not be possible. Mr. Vinay Karthik, who helped in the association with Shobha, Mr. Harish Davnam and family, who have been with us from the foundation to all his efforts and guidelines in every stage of the venture. Thank you, sir. Mrs. Vaknath Guruji, who predicted the playgrounds of my father at this location would become a pride of his, sir, tomorrow. Thank you, sir. My in-house team, who has spent every day in nurturing this project into reality. Mr. Shankar and his team of auditors with the Crestlaw team to put across all the legal formalities in facilitating the system. Thank you so much, sir. To all my well-wishers, you guided us the right way in building this up. Right suggestions at the right time is what that matters. I thank you for all that. I'm so grateful to my most supporting wife and my mother, Mr. Shashwat Kumar, and a big thank you to Mr. D.K. Suresh, without whom the project would have not been completed. Heartfelt thanks to the Almighty and my divine blessings of my Ajja, without whom the support wouldn't have been impossible. A dream is realized without actual people living our dreams like their own. The grand mall is put together for the people and the tenants and the vendors who make it into a reality by choosing this place for their business venture. We wish you all the very best. And we look forward to grow with you, with the smiles of the customers reflect back as your success rates. As a team, we've visualized it together. We've presented it as an experience, keeping in mind the heritage, the journey of the past, and that we're going through as a process. It's a dream to turn into a curated reality by making what we knew, what we understand, what we imagined it to be, and today presenting to all of you a confident step to meet all your expectations in terms of a driving innovation in the future. In conclusion, welcome you all to Global Mall, which is going to be a destination where we believe and shall try to make the best of your experience to meet everything of your expectations. Thank you and have a great day.
Beautiful, the most beneficent. Good morning to all. Honorable His Excellency S.M. Krishnaji, whom I knew since 20 to 25 years, and Mr. D.K., other my friends, brothers and sisters, my senior and junior colleagues, my wife Shabira, my brother Ashraf's wife Sina, and my sister Zahira, and a lot of dignitaries here, my relatives here, our CEO, group CEO here, and from my brothers, my brother Ashraf Ali, M.S. Salim, Mohammed Altaf, V.I. Salim, and Nadeem Ahmed, Mr. India, relatives, plus Mr. Namodini, our CFO, Mr. Satish, India CFO, and Mr. Prasad, our Director Audit. A lot of my senior and junior colleagues are here. Thank you very much for their support. Friends, brothers and sisters, I am very happy to be with each and every one of you on this day of the inauguration. Our Lulu Group International presents 23 countries around the world. We have our retail business in GCC countries, Oman, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait, Bahrain, Saudi Arabia, GCC countries, Kuwait, Egypt, Indonesia and Malaysia, and our procurement logistics centers another 11 countries. In line with the various liberalization policies of the Government of India, thank you very much for the Government of India. NRI investments are today considered as domestic investment. After this declaration, we have also started investing in our country, India. We constructed Lulu Mall, which is India's biggest shopping mall in Kochi, in my home state, Kerala. We are constructing another 2 shopping malls, opening another 25 hypermarkets in different cities. This is our first hypermarket in the beautiful historical garden city of Bengaluru. Thank you very much, Mr. D.K. Shivkumar, for helping us to associate with him. And with his vision, with his hard work, we could fulfill this dream with a global mall, a destination mall in the garden city of Bengaluru. We are expanding the state of Karnataka with so many hypermarkets. This is our starting point. My son, my brother Ashraf's son, Fahaz Ashraf, is leading this mission in Karnataka. The operation of the shopping mall with our hypermarket will provide a direct employment to 1,600 plus other tenants in this shopping total 5,000 direct employment will generate here. So thank you very much for DK Srinivas for his vision into employment in the young youth, our young generation, girls and boys in this state of Karnataka. We are greatly thankful for the wholehearted support extended both by the central and state governments. We are also thankful for the immense support received from all our colleagues, senior and junior colleagues, for our growth and expansion. Today we are greatly thankful to Sri S.M. Krishna ji, who is not only a senior political leader but also a scholar, academician and intellectual for the valuable presence here. I recall that when I received the Pravasi Bharatiya Samman award from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our late former president in India, in Pravasi Bharatiya Divas in Mumbai, Sri S.M. Krishna was the governor of the state of Maharashtra. Thank you very much for remembering that occasion. Thank you. And also we met S.M. Krishna with His Highness in UAE. We had lunch together with His Highness, I still remember. So he's a great personality and I am very happy and thankful to him that with his blessed hands we opened this mall plus this hypermarket. Thank you very much, sir. I am also thankful to Mr. DK and all my friends, brothers and sisters, giving us an opportunity and to sit in this occasion. We have great expansion plans in India. Our India operation will be led by Mr. Nishad team and our Director India, Mr. Anand's team. And I am Fahas Ashraf team will lead the expansion plans in the state of Karnataka. I am extremely thankful, each and every one of you, for attending this inaugural function. I look forward to your wholehearted support in coming days, and thank you very much and namaskar.
Our staff members and all the friends and well-wishers who assembled today on this great occasion. It's a historic day not only for Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, not only for Mr. Yusuf Ali as his presence in Bangalore city, but also a historic day in my view for Bangalore. The way I believe that online marketing, online purchasing and online so many things have been happening. This is the mall, this is the place which is going to become an effective and efficient counter to people instead of buying and not experiencing anything from their home. They will be compelled to come out of their home and spend time as much as they want and still they will not be satisfied. I do believe that the way this mall was envisioned, the way it was dreamt, it has come and exceeded even that expectations also. I also believe that the hard work and the passion which has been put by each and every Shobha members, supported by the team from Mr. D.K. Shivakumar and Mr. Yusuf Ali, has become a landmark now, and hope that in times to come this place becomes the destination, and we all will be honored to see that this becomes the beginning to realize Mr. D.K. Shivakumar's first goal, and hopefully the next goal also will be not far. Thank you. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ದಸರಾ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಶುಭಾಶಯ. Honorable Mr. Yusuf Ali, Mr. Sharma, Mr. Shivakumar, Mr. Suresh, Aishwarya, Mrs. Shivkumar, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. I am delighted to be here this morning to join all of you in getting the newest mall in Bangalore to be inaugurated in the presence of Mr. Yusuf Ali and Mr. Sharma. I know how deeply involved and committed was Shiv Kumar and his family to get this mall getting operational. Shiv Kumar had huge ideas even when he was a part of the government when I was heading it. I remember that day when me and the then chairman of Bangalore Development Authority were driving around to go to a function. He did suggest to BDA that they should take over this particular land and then develop it. But somehow it didn't happen. But he wouldn't give up. And today, what we see here is something remarkable, something very new, something very original. And to this, I would like to convey our deep sense of appreciation to both Mr. Yusuf Ali and Mr. Sharma. I think the combination has been so fruitful for the state of Karnataka, and we acknowledge from the, even though I am not in government, but I am sure any government would be happy to do business with men of such integrity and dedication and commitment. Bangalore is growing, and now government of Karnataka has started thinking of beyond Bangalore. I think Bangalore's infrastructure is getting saturated. We need water, we need power, and we need infrastructure. And Bangalore's as infrastructure, water availability, and power requirements are getting to be much bigger than what we expected. I think government of Karnataka should devote greater attention to the development of Bangalore, because it is this city which provides the basic resources for the development of the whole of Karnataka. I think today, by the time it was 40,000 crores, today it must be anywhere near 70 to 80,000 crores, which comes out of Bangalore itself. And that shows the great potential Bangalore city has. Now, no government can ignore this development, and government must string every nerve to make a better infrastructure for Bangalore, because that's going to bring ample returns. I have seen many malls in the course of my global excursions, but I don't think that I have seen a more spacious and very, very anointed mall than the global mall. I'm sure this would be a crown jewel for the city of Bangalore, and I'm sure that people of Bangalore and perhaps from all over, as the word spreads, as the reputation keeps growing, I think more people will be attracted to come here. I think there is everything for everybody. Every age group has been provided for. And that is something which many malls lack. That is because when those malls came into existence, they didn't find it required for these facilities. But today, the customer, the one who comes into the mall, I think they can go out in the night fully occupying themselves, and that is the big advantage that the global mall provides for. I would like to convey my good wishes. May the Almighty bless the family of D.K. Shivkumar, D.K. Suresh, Aishwarya, and Mrs. Shivkumar, and the partner, Mr. Honorable Yusuf Ali, and Mrs. Sharma. I would invoke the blessings so that they might keep growing and thus be helpful to the citizens of Bangalore and the people of Karnataka. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to say these words.
The goddess Chamundeshwari, Vinayaka, my divine blessing, Ajja, all of us are standing before us. I don't want to make a big speech today, but if I doesn't remember those who has helped me to make my dream possible. When I was in college, one of my tutors said that you have to have a dream. You should forget 4 Ds. You should dream, you should desire for the dream, you should dedicate for the dream, you should discipline for the dream. And today, constructing this mall is not my dream, or making my money is not my dream. I have said in many occasions, by birth I am an agriculturist, by profession I am a businessman, by choice I am an educationist, by passion I am a politician. But today, this has come out in a very different, modest way. This is the place where I used to play in my younger days. This was a ground. When I was a part of Krishnaji government, this was being a part of, this has come for the auction by the NTC. I thought that I offered this to my government at that point of time, that let us make a private bus stand. So myself, Krishnaji was just passing by, so many years ago. I offered him, he called the PDA Commissioner, the Transport, the Bangalore City Corporation Commissioner, Mr. Srinivas Murthy and Mr. Jacob Jera. He said that just here something is telling. So I said that you better buy this. Government is ready to give to us. Then they said that those two officers, one was little bit enriched, the other officers, Shiv Kumar is mad, why do I have to give him so much money? It is not possible. It's just, let us not work on this. Then I said, okay. Then I went to my Guruji, my astrologer, Mr. Dwarkanath, who is sitting here. Myself, Mr. Harish, who is a part of this great moment, we both went. We sat there. We just thought that at least we will try to have an education institution here to serve the people of Bangalore, to have a medical college here. Those medical, there is a university said that you should have 25 acres. 25 acres was not there. When we thought that, then after looking at my chart and this, the time of my, this one, Mr. Dwarkanath predicted, why are you looking at government? One day the property will be yours. So that is what his prediction was. Then we start planning. Ultimately it was there. Making such a big mall is not difficult. Anyone can do this mall. But I dreamt of one thing. To make children happy. Because one I had a friend, one Mr. Hari Kode was there, who was a friend of mine and a friend of Mr. Krishna also. Though I was very young, he used to like me a lot, love me a lot. One day he invited for his son's marriage. His son and myself was the college mates. We were there in the marriage. After the marriage, he just, they gave us a tambula. In the tambula, there was about some 25 sweets, chocolates in that. Then after 2 days after the marriage, I went to his factory. He used to make very new, fresh beer. They had a beautiful Kode rum, still which is famous all over the world, especially for military. Then he offered me to have this beer and a rum, white rum. I said, no, DK, yesterday you finished your friend's marriage, let us both have in his factory, fresh. We had a small, both of us had a small lodge of whiskey. Then after 5-10 minutes, I asked him, sir, yesterday I was in a marriage, lot of various dignitaries. I was not even an MLA at that point of time. It is somewhere in 88. I had lost my assembly elections by that point of time. I asked him, sir, okay, fine, I came, we all enjoyed the marriage. It was the very biggest marriage of the city. You gave us a tambula, but what was the necessity of giving that chocolate in that bag? Then he said that DK, I am supposed to be one of the richest man of Bangalore, you all know. You saw all over the world, country, very rich people, big people, chief ministers, lot of came to my marriage, all film artists came to my marriage. I don't know who has seen my children, they just used to shake hands, just condolate me and everything went on. But I don't know who has blessed my children. So I thought that my dream was, at least the tambula I have given, you all had a lunch, dinner and everything. You can't eat 25 chocolates. At least one chocolate you will eat, 24 chocolates you will take home and your children will eat. That children blessing is important for my child. That is what Mr. Hari Kode said. So from that day, I decided, if I wanted to do something, I need a blessings of young children who are pure at heart. They doesn't look at anything. So this is why my dream was, Mr. Menon knows it, Mr. Jagdish knows it, Mr. Nair, Geeta Nair who is here, Neil Jeffrey is not here, Mr. Harish is there, who are a part of this great planning what I did. From the day one, apart from the mall, I insisted that we should have a children, family, entertainment close, and 40% of the place is being reserved for the entertainment, and that is my dream, not my mall. So I am sure all the children who come to this place will enjoy, they will bless us, they will bless all of us, and everyone who has come here, will have the greatest opportunity of market. I can't forget the root. If I forget the root, I'll not get the fruit. It is Mr. Menon who stood by me with his team, with Sharma, like a rock, and who completed this. After this, I was just looking at, my children are too young. I know that they couldn't manage. Lot of opportunities there, lot of challenges are there. Still time is there. I was looking at. Ultimately, God sent me Yusuf Ali to me. There may be building, I may be well, but without this shirt, without this panche, without this anything, no one can look handsome, or without a diamond, or without a earring, without a sari, no woman can look beautiful. That is what Yusuf Ali has done today. Yusuf Ali is not for India. He is a brand ambassador of this country who has given 50 to 60,000 direct employment and created a big force. Any government, I know how hard efforts the team has done. It is not a small shop. You see the quality of shopping. You see the quality. 60% the entire tenants may be of Yusuf Ali here, Lulu Group here. What I think entire world, there may be so many malls all over the world. But as far as Asian countries is concerned, they have stood for the quality and they are presenting. And in this global city of Bangalore, I don't tell, I'm not looking at Mumbai or Chennai or Hyderabad or this one. This has stood as a global city. One day, when Mr. Krishnaji, he was chief minister, we designed this metro. He designed this airport. We were a part of that. I was a part of the international airport development. I was the chairman of that signing that planning authority. That was my last signature. Even the design and everything was been designed. So we called for inauguration for that laying the foundation at Vidhan Sabha. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, then the Prime Minister of this country, came. He said one thing. There was a time when world leaders used to come to Delhi, fly to Hyderabad, fly to Mumbai, fly to Calcutta, fly to Chennai, fly to Bangalore. Now the situation has gone. The world leaders are coming first to Bangalore, then they are flying to Delhi. That is what he said at that point of time. So this is a city with a global sense. This is a city with a global attraction. And this is what Krishnaji gave it to the country. So I thought that he should come, and though he is a part of my family, though I am a part of his family, so I thought that someone with a pure heart, someone should come and bless. That is why I requested him to come and inaugurate and bless Yusuf Ali and all the tenants here and me and my family to be there. So myself, me, Mr. Suresh, Usha, Aishwarya, Akash, Abarna, and all of us, including Mr. Suresh, Mr. Davna Marish, we thank you, sir. I thank my Guruji, I thank my auditor, Mr. Shankar, the Shobha team, and various other who had put me right. Mr. Kusman Muraj is there. In the meantime, I can't forget Mr. Irfan, who just made a small, Neil Jeffrey is not here today with us. I can't forget him. Even Mr. Menon, we have traveled more than 100 malls. 100 malls all over the country and all over the world we have looked at. One thing you all will be shocked to hear it. This mall has a separate 4 entries where you are not seen that. In the next few days it will be open. There will be 2 entry inside, 2 entry outside from the main road, which underpass and which we have invested a very huge amount, so that looking at the next 50 years we have planned. Even Mr. Menon had a tape and measured what should be the width of the mall. because we have seen so many malls. Bringing this, the quality, the Shobha itself has shown in this entire Bangalore, in entire Karnataka, that what the quality can do. I am sure with this, the hard work and the efficiency, what they have done, the quality, the entire, I am very proud that these two architects, one is Shobha, one is Lulu, have made Bangalore proud and this business, the destination mall, to be proud. Today, we all may make money, we may all make lose money, but what we have presented to this country is very much important. I feel that. So I am sure our children of this city and the entire state will come here to spend a day. It has 11 theatres, 123 shops, the Funtura itself has become a big, big brand. I think nowhere in this country with 78,000 square feet of in-house entertainment, which is there. You may have a lot of other fun cities outside, but within them all, I know how the parents' problem will have. I am sure this is a place where everyone can spend a day and it will be a destination. And once again, I would like to thank all the people. Some I can't forget my Andhra Bank friends. Within 24, when my friend Mr. Downam Harish wanted to bid this, within 24 hours they gave us money. So we bidded it from UN Reliance bidded this. Lot of people bidded this as a private entity. It is a government of India property. So my friend Harish bidded this. They gave us money. We were being very successful on the prediction of my Guruji, and I am very happy. And I would like to thank all the friends from Shobha, my Vastu architects, my Vastu friends, other architects, the family members, especially now the entire responsibility goes with Yusuf Ali and his team. I am sure they will not, they have made the country pride. They will once again, they have started to make India pride, with starting from Bangalore as their partners. I am very happy to be associated. I am sure, I assure you sir, whatever I speak, I am committed to it. Whatever I do, I am committed to it. I only said that if I forget the root, I will not get the fruit. You people, you and Shobha are my root. And at the same time, I would like to thank my friend Vinay Karthik who introduced me to Shobha from the day our relationship started. And various other friends are there. I can't forget Mr. Jitu also, who supported me in various other. So many of them has helped me financially. I can't take out their names. Many of them has helped me. Various bank friends, personal friends, all of them has helped. Once again, I request you, sir. Mr. Shankar is there, who has made it a very tough man in the law and the auditor. So he has made things so that I will be very safe. He took that, it is his personal, private property. It is not his friend. We know each other from past 50 years. He has guided us well. Many of the friends who has guided us, marketed, the Crest Law and other friends, Ms. Neeraj, all of them has helped us. Once again, I would like to thank the entire team. I hope all of you will be happy spending it. You please, Mr. Vastu, our Aradhya is also here. I think I want all of you to enjoy the afternoon meal here. All the guests who have come, please be a part of this. It is your house. From today, 5 o'clock, this will be open for the public. I don't know. I have been inviting all my police friends also. All the government officials, they have supported a lot. And this is the only place in Bangalore, 3.5, you will not believe it, 3.5 acres of land. I have gifted it to corporation for just road widening. Imagine the volume of what will be the price of 3.5 acres of land. This is what we thought, that because they should have a good evaluation, good approach and everything. I am sure it will be useful for the citizens of the state. Anyway, I thank once again my Shobha team and Lulu team for having been a partner and to bless us. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Allah.